everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to transfer money from your Absa bank account, whether to another Absa account or a different bank, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to send money quickly and securely using the Absa banking app. So let's get started. First thing that you will need to do is to log into the Absa banking app. Open the app and sign in using your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. Go to the Payments or Transfer Money tab from the main menu. Now, if you're sending to a saved beneficiary, select them from your list. Otherwise, add new beneficiary and enter the recipient's details. Type in the amount you wish to send and double check to ensure it's correct. Select either immediate payment, may have a fee but processes faster, or standard EFT that may take about 1 to 2 business days for other banks. Review the details and confirm. You may need to enter a one-time PIN or OTP and to your phone for security. If you don't have access to the Absa app, you can still transfer money using USSD, and here's how you can do that. Dial the number on the screen using your phone number that you've used for your Absa account. Select option 1, Payments and Transfers. Choose Send Money and enter the recipient's account details. Enter the amount and confirm the transfer. Once completed, you receive an SMS confirming the transaction. And that's it. Transferring money from Absa is quick and easy whether you're using the app or USSD. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.